Hello guys, I hope you are having a great day. Guys, this is the tutorial video about trading Armour Alpha. Okay, so let's do not waste the time and start the video. So let's switch to Bitcoin chart and let's see what's going on. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and this is right here. We have trading Armour Alpha. So guys, I designed this indicator for scalping and day trading purpose only. Okay, so it's only for those people that who want to make quick money with day trading or scalping, who want to enter and exit the market quickly, okay, with the profit. So if you are looking for the indicator which will hold the positions for long term, like several days or several weeks, then trading Armour Alpha is not for you. But I have some other indicators which will predict long term, predict for long term, and will give you good results in long term. Okay, I will show you those indicators in the end of this video, but currently I want to show you this trading Armour Alpha performance. Okay, so how this indicator works. Okay, so right now first you can see these red and green triangles. Red triangles predict sell signals. Okay, they are giving sell signal, and green triangles giving buy signals. So this indicator shows multiple signals, and but you don't need to take all these signals, okay, on your trades. You need to select, you need to pick very strong signals only for your trades. You need to ignore some of these buy and sell signals. So let me show you how. First of all, just look at this line, this red and green line at the bottom, at the 200 level. Okay, 200 level right here. We are at below zero line, that is minus 200 level. I put this line here for a reason. What is this line? What is the name of this line? This is called super trend, guys. Okay, so what is super trend is used for? It used for whenever the whenever this indicator shows when who is in the control, buyers or sellers. Okay, so right now buyers are in control. Okay, when buyers are in control, which signals you will take here? Okay, you will take only buy signals. When the line is green triangle, this wave is blue, what you do? You long, you buy, you take this buy signal when the line is green. Okay, and when there is a this red triangle sell signals, you ignore them. Okay, only, but you don't ignore these signals when the line is red at the bottom. Okay, line is red triangle, white wave. Okay, you you take short position, take your profit, exit the market. Okay, so line is green again, you got buy signal, buy again, color changes, you exit. That's how it works. Okay, look at right here. Okay, from this candle, starting from this candle to this candle, market is going down. Okay, price is going down, and you ignore these buy signals. Okay, you focus on this red signal, that this red signal is spraying out, and then you continue your selling position. And then whenever in middle, in between the line, the color of this waves changes to blue, you exit your short position. Okay, turns white, line is still red, you take your sell signal. Okay, you sell your Bitcoin or short the Bitcoin or any currency you want to trade, currency or stock. Line turns to blue, exit your sell position. Okay, whenever the line is these waves are white, you take your sell entries. So that's how it works. It's very easy to use, okay, very easy. I made it as simple as possible for um, for my subscribers, okay. So this is the this we can see this green line and rally, this upward rally. And what you need to do, you just take this buy signal, okay. Ignore these sell signals when the line is green, and ignore the buy signals when the line is red, okay. Buy signal, there is nothing into it, okay. Who is in the control, guys? Sellers are in control when the line is red, so there is no point taking these buy signals, okay. Stick to red signals, okay, when the line is red and when the sellers are in control. And one last thing with this indicator, okay, there is a green dots. These green dots shows oversold, and these red dots on the top showing overbought level, okay. Whenever you see this red line and we are going down with the sell signals, and sometimes when the market is overbought, it means sellers are exhausted, okay. Sellers are exhausted. Now it's time for bulls to come and play, um, and come and push the price up, okay. So you take buy signal on this green line with this blue wave, and whenever the blue wave changes color, you exit your position. So you don't wait for the color to change, but just take your profit somewhere here or here, just and exit, okay. Just don't wait for the color to change. Always take your profit and do not wait for some kind of miracle, okay. So now it's going upward, okay. Then you see these red dots showing overbought, exit your position, okay. Then market sideways again, okay. And then when you see second buy signal with the blue wave and green line again showing buyers are in control, and then what happened, price go up. Buyers in control again, price go up, okay. See, it's very easy to predict, okay. So that's how it works. There is a reason I'm giving this indicator to only my lifetime members, okay. This indicator is not for sale, guys. This is not for sale. This indicator is free for my lifetime members. I'm not selling this indicator, so do not offer me money, okay, to buy only this particular indicator in my inbox. This is free indicator I designed for my lifetime members. So there is one more thing I want to tell you about the trading view itself. So what trading view is doing, right, guys? Trading view is it's allowing you to use 6 indicators at a time for $15 a month, and 12 indicators for $30 a month, okay. And now it's giving $10 discount on premium membership with $25. Sorry, 25 indicators. You can use 25 indicators, okay. So why you need to pay them money if you can use more than 20 indicators for free? Yes, guys, more than 20 indicators for free. I am giving you 20 indicators with the price of just $22. I am giving you the indicators. Look, I'm giving you these 3 indicators which is usable for any kind of market and any kind of time, any kind of time frame. This is called Trading Armour Alpha. Sorry, I'm not sorry. These indicators are Trading Armour A+, SR and B+, okay. So what these indicators do, they tell you buy and sell signals. Look, S for sell, B for buy, okay. B for buy, S for sell, and EB for end buy, and ES for end sell. Look, yeah, yeah, ES for end sell, okay, and B for buy, and S for sell. And look how accurate is this, guys. Look, sell, okay, end sell means price could reverse here, reverse from here. You could take your profit from here, you know, okay, just giving the extra lines. So if you know how to, if you want to know how to use this indicator, just watch tutorial video for this trading Armour indicators, okay, on my website or in my YouTube channel. Okay, buy and buy, sell, okay, sell, buy, you know. And there are some, you know, there are, you know, each line, each of this line is one particular indicator, and I combined more than 20 indicators into 3 pair of these indicators. So no need to pay to TradingView, okay. I'm giving you this a nice set of indicators to, you know, trade and make your living out of it, guys. I'm just selling this indicator for $22 only. I'm just putting the food on my table. I'm not making my fortune out of this. Just this indicator is only for, you know, putting food on my table. And I'm just a student by, you know, I'm just a student, and I just like to code, and I'm learning. I'm still learning, and I'm not making any kind of big money out of it. Just I'm, you know, trading on one or two times in a week whenever I have free time. So because trading need so much focus and concentration. So you know, as long as you know what you are doing, then you are good to go, okay. So guys, if you have any question, queries, send me in comment section, ask me in comment section, and I will answer you. Or you can send me message in my website. It's called tradingarmour.com, tradingarmour.com. Log into my website, okay. Then you will see this messenger, Facebook Messenger. If you are logging in your Facebook Messenger, you can send me direct message. I will answer you. Wait, I show you. I will answer you. Look, it's a messenger, okay. You send me message, I will reply you back. Any kind of question and query, I will give you answer to all of your questions, okay. So that's it for now, guys. Have a nice day, and you know, take care of yourself, okay. Okay, bye.